a bit dark than I want. Yeah, too much dark. Yeah, too much blue.
Come on, Maya. No. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Which one is the pink one? Okay, follow the picture. The dark pink. Okay. Oh, sige, you follow it. Which one is it?
I don't know where's my picture. I definitely placed it on here.
Oh, someone.
I think it fell or something. Oh, probably.
Okay, follow the picture.
Gamay.
Oh, sige, it's okay. Basta, not too much. One stroke at a time. Okay. Sige, you can do it, Maya.
I need a little bit more.
Like this. Hold it, hold it. Like this.
Oh, no.
See? And get some color a little bit. And then put like that. See? Okay, you.
It's kind of hard because maani man ang maani, no?
Just like you're holding a pencil, Maya.
Oh.
Hold it like a pencil. Oh no, you're making a mess. That's okay. Mommy will just fix it later. So you just have to focus on that pink one over there.
I have done that. I'm trying.
Okay, go.
Oh, I need a little bit. Bruh. Bro, what? Look. It's kind of trippy. Bro, mine is kind of trippy.
It's okay, it's okay. Just have to practice, Maya.
Mommy, this is kind of good, right?
Yeah, it's kind of good.
Mine looks bad. My opinion looks bad. I'm an artist now. The artist, these nuts. So now I'll be an artist because I'm a drawer. What are you? A drawer, artist, YouTuber? What do you want?